Hello everyone, welcome to Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Pattar. This video is part of our new series which mainly focuses on Autosar interview questions. Each part includes 3 Autosar questions along with the answer, which significantly enhances your preparations for the upcoming interviews. So without any further delay, let's begin with part 17 video of Autosar interview questions. Well, we are back to our screen mode where you can see Autosar interview question part 17 along with the 3 questions represented on the screen. Without any further delay, let's begin with our first question, which basically states, what are the different versions of Autosar in Classic platform? Well, let us discuss about version 2.x. It is the early foundation of Autosar. It introduced the basic concepts and standardized software architecture. It also focused on basic system services, communication, and diagnostics. Moving on to version 3.x. It expanded on version 2.x with more detailed specifications. It also included standardized modules for communication such as CAN, LAN, and memory services and diagnostics. It enhanced configurability and modularity of software components. Moving on to version 4.0. It has major update with significant enhancements. It introduced a more modular and scalable architecture. It also improved support for safety and security features. It enhanced diagnostics and communication protocol. Lastly, it also introduced standardized interfaces for basic software module. Moving on to version 4.1. It improved on version 4.0 with more detailed specifications and bug fixes. It also enhanced multi-core processor support. Additionally, it also had further improvements in safety and security features. The next version is 4.2. It focused on further refinement and enhancement of existing features. It also introduced support for additional communication protocols like FlexRay. Additionally, it enhanced memory protection and real-time capabilities. Then moving on to version 4.3. It added support for Ethernet communication. It also introduced further enhancements in safety, security, and diagnostics. On top of that, it also improved support for complex driver assistance systems. Moving on to our last version, that is 4.4. It continued refinement and enhancement of existing features. It also had further improvements in Ethernet communication and diagnostics. Lastly, it enhanced support for functional safety and security. So this was all about our first question. Now let us move on to our second question, which basically states, what are ARXML in Autosar? Well, ARXML is a file format used within the Autosar standard for describing various aspects of automotive software systems. It is based on XML, making it both human-readable and machine-readable. ARXML files represent the configuration data of Autosar software components, modules, and systems. This includes both functional and non-functional aspects such as communication protocol, memory configurations, diagnostic settings, and many more. So overall, you can see ARXML files play a vital role in defining the configuration, behavior, and interactions of software components in automotive ECUs. So this was a short description about ARXML files in Autosar. Now, let's move on to our third question, which basically states, what is the purpose of ARXML in Autosar? Let's discuss about this topic with respect to integration and configuration. During the development process, ARXML files are used to integrate software components from different suppliers into a unified Autosar compliant system. Configuration parameters are defined in ARXML to tailor the behavior and functionality of these components. Now, let us talk about simulation and validation. Tools utilize ARXML files to simulate the behavior of the software system and validate its performance against specifications. This includes testing communication protocol, timing constraints, and overall system reliability. Moving on to the last one, that is code generation. ARXML files serve as an input to code generation tools, which produce executable code for ECUs based on their defined software architecture and configurations. This automated process ensures consistency and reduces manual effort in the software development. So, this was all about our third question. If you want to know more about Autosar related topics, then you can check out our Autosar playlist on Linked Frequency. Well, this was part 17 video of Autosar interview question series. I hope you found the video insightful. For any queries, you can surely comment down below in the comment section. Until we meet on our next video, happy learning. Tune yourself to make a difference.